Syrup on it.
Hey, Sala, did you check the snowman?
He's gone.
What do you mean he's gone?
He's gone. He's
Huh.
gone. Maybe you went to the store. Sure.
I don't know. I don't know where he went.
Should I open this? Is it too dark in here, Scott?
Yeah, it's too dark.